Why did the electron and hole go on a date? It doesn't really matter for now, so stay with me. We harness sunlight all the time on calculators, homes, even the ISS. But have you ever wondered how light turns into electricity? Picture a solid as a skyscraper. Each room is a possible electron state, a unique set of parameters like energy level and orientation an electron can have. Electrons can change rooms, but only if empty. The highest occupied floors form the valence band, while the lowest unoccupied ones form the conduction band. The band gap in between has no floors. Electrons can only reach the next band and conduct if they have the band gap energy at a minimum, and if so, they leave behind empty rooms called holes. When electrons travel one way, holes move another, so we think of them as positive charges. I've got a tank with two different water levels. When they connect, water flows downhill until both sides are equal. Electrons, like water, want to be in the lowest available energy state. The Fermi level is like the water line. It marks a hypothetical energy level that would be 50% occupied, and its height depends on electron distribution. When materials of different Fermi levels touch, like a semiconductor with excess conduction electrons and another with excess holes, electrons flow downhill, falling into holes at the junction, creating a small electric field in the opposite direction, until both Fermi levels are equal. When photons with the band gap energy strike electrons near the junction, electron-hole pairs are created, separated by the field, leading to a voltage. The sun gives Earth more energy in 1 hour than we use in an entire year. So why can't we harness it all? Most light becomes heat, including on me. That's why scientists are chasing breakthroughs, like tunable band gaps, stacked cells, and flexible panels. Which brings us back to our starting question. Why did the electron and hole go on a date? They had a lot of potential, electric potential, and we've got potential too to power a clean energy future.